Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create 3 layers videos using InShot. So if you guys want to create a stunning 3-layer videos or video collage using InShot, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can layer videos and images to make a captivating video collage. So first, of course, you just need to open the InShot applications on your device. And now choose a video format. Click on new. And then you can just choose on blank in here. Tap on the check icon. And I'm going to change the canvas into 9 by 16. Tap on the check icon again. And adjust the durations to fit with your videos. And after that, you can just swipe through the menu and tap on the PIP and choose the first video for your edit. Okay, this one, and then you can just click on this to fill it with the screen. Put it on top, just like this. And now click on this PIP again to add another video. Okay, the last one. Put it up here. Okay, so now this is the current result. And then you can just click on one of the video and find the animations. Then choose the animations that you want to make the videos more attractive. So here I'm going to add the, let's try to, okay, I'm going to go with slide right. Here you can click on the check icon and apply the same animations through all the video. Okay, so now the video will look like this. And if you want to make the videos appears one by one, you can just reduce its duration just like this at the beginning so that the videos will appear gradually, just like this. Okay, so now this is the final result, and that's all for me. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon if it helps you to create amazing video collage. Subscribe for more InShot tutorials and editing hacks, and you can leave a comment below if you still have question or suggestion for future tutorials. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.